Hello everyone, I am Aditi and today I am going to show you how to restore, clean and protect your vehicle's cooling system using DOLPHIN Radiator Flush and DOLPHIN Radiator Coolant.
Dolphin, the smart way to keep your engine cool and clean.
If you maintain your radiator using DOLPHIN Radiator Flush and DOLPHIN Radiator Coolant, you will help your engine run cooler and longer.
For a smoother, long-lasting radiator, begin with Dolphin Radiator Flush. It removes contaminants, lubricates, and protects from rust. Turn off the engine and let it cool. Open the radiator drain valve completely and remove the used coolant from the system. Before adding the radiator flush, clean the radiator with fresh water 2 times to remove all traces of old coolant. After securely closing the drain valve, add 335 milliliters of Dolphin Radiator Flush into the radiator tank. Fill it completely with fresh water, then start the engine and let it run for 15 minutes. This helps the formula circulate through the system, removing dirt, rust, and scale deposits effectively. Turn off the engine and drain the radiator again. After draining the system, wash and flush the radiator once again using clean water to remove any remaining residues. Now the radiator is completely clean and free from dirt and deposits. It's ready to be filled with Dolphin Radiator Coolant. Let's top up the radiator using Dolphin Radiator Coolant. Non-toxic, corrosion-free, and with excellent heat capacity. Fill the entire coolant system with Dolphin Radiator Coolant, a high thermal capacity formula that ensures every part is protected for optimal engine performance. Dolphin Radiator Coolant is specially formulated with a premium blend of glycols, rust inhibitors, and other advanced performance enhancers. This ensures your engine maintains optimum temperatures under all conditions, prevents corrosion, and helps extend the overall service life of your radiator and engine components.
These products help your radiator run at its best, prevents overheating and extends engine life. For a complete range of automotive, interior, exterior, maintenance and general care products, go to our website. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more car care tutorials. I am Aditi. See you next time.